In the world of long-haul trucking, survival depends on adaptation. Each hauler has evolved a distinct method for moving freight. Today, we observe them in their natural habitat. The mechanic is not driven by speed or strength. He listens. By sensing stress before failure, he ensures the machine survives the journey. Some rely on confidence alone. This hauler routinely exceeds his limits, believing in his abilities. But he always messes shit up. The experienced driver conserves energy. Every movement is efficient. Freight is delivered without drama. Though she never touches the wheel, the strategist controls the environment. By anticipating weather, terrain, and time, she ensures the operation succeeds. In the end, the most successful hauler is not the strongest, nor the loudest, but the one who causes the fewest problems.
Load Runner Diesel!